Jamaica. And if you've ever wondered or just, you know, didn't pick up my accent, your girl's Jamaican, born ya, grow ya, live ya, the whole works, yardie to the bone. So in this video, I'm going to be calling 5 of my friends to ask them 3 simple questions about Jamaica to see if them know them own history, them own heritage, and all of that. So the rules of the game are that I'm just going to be video calling a friend and they'll have 5 seconds to respond to 3 questions. So each question I ask, they have 5 seconds to respond. All of these questions are going to be related to Jamaica, and I will ask everyone, when was Jamaica emancipated? So the first person that I'm going to be calling is my friend GLENNAH. You would have seen her in all of the Trinidad vlogs and in some older vlogs. So this video idea actually came from GLENNAH, and when she gave me the idea, she said, don't call me. So me gonna call her, though. She didn't want me to call her. That means she didn't want me to call her, right? So let's call GLENNAH. I feel like she might not answer. Hello, sweet girl. We on the Park Road. Y'all walk? Oh, y'all do a little workout thing? Nobody know them. I just want to ask 3 things of you. I want you to answer quick. Ready? When was Jamaica emancipated from slavery? You can't ask Damian. You have 3 seconds. Ready? 3. 1834. Alright, no problem.
Emancipated, is it right?
Yeah, emancipated. Alright. It's okay, we'll move on. It's alright, babes. Who discovered Jamaica? I'm put that in quotations. Discovered Jamaica and where them did come from?
Sorry upon that question. Nobody not discovered Jamaica. But if we don't go according to history book, Christopher Columbus.
And where was from? From Spain. Alright, your final question. What is Jamaica's national flower?
Flower? Like not like it.
Alright, you got school, you don't waste your mother money, you learn on them thing there.
I want to get emancipation for sure.
You don't know. 1962. No.
Yeah, idiot, yo.
62 is independent. Emancipation from slavery is 18. So probably 1834.
I think 1834 for true, but I just know August first.
You're dumb.
Yeah, y'all learn on them things there. The knowledge sticking in your head. Them say things where you learn, you don't forget. So the next person that I'm gonna be calling is Miss TOOFINE. And I don't know if she got answer because I know she lives with her family, her boo, and her child. So hopefully she's not too busy, but I'm gonna call her and see what can keep. Hello, good? You know, me try to do decent for the people them.
Was it actually recording?
Yeah, me record it. Me go put it on my channel. You ready? Alright, me ask you 3 questions. You have 5 seconds to respond to the question. Ready? Don't look so worried. Oh, you look so worried. And no personal question. No for yourself. Alright, ready? The first question is, when was Jamaica emancipated from slavery? You can't ask Danswell. Turn round. Alright, if you can't tell me the year, you can tell me the date, the day, anything. Emancipation.
Where them always be so much for them.
When it comes first.
But the date is in August 1st or the 6th.
On the first. Alright, see? That's not bad. You get it right. Alright. Next question is, which town? Yeah, we are talking about Jamaica. You know that one here. You must know that one here. Ready? Which town is named after one of our national heroes? Which national hero named Maroon? You're close though. Yeah, alright. See me tell us how you know it. See there, you all have enough answer. Me tell us how you know it. Ready, girl? Your last question now. Name one town or city with a Spanish name and tell me what it means in English. You go there all the while. You go do work. You go there, go do people makeup, go make them beautiful for them wedding or so. You go there all the while. You drive there already. Everywhere, girl. Oh, see that? What ultra race mean in English? Tashana said, "Una no stress, you buck." No, Ocho. All right, four. It means 8 rivers. I think 8 rivers run round it or something like that. Yeah, girl. Alright, so that's your 3 questions. See, they never so bad. Alright, guys, so the next person we're gonna call is Garth Root. Now, if you know Garth, you know, say, him pride himself on know things. I want him get a question wrong. Ready? Let's go. Yeah, wipe off your sweat, your hot, you ready? Alright, ready. Your first question is, when was Jamaica emancipated from slavery? Full date. Emancipation.
August 1st, 1834, someone might tell me.
I see some out it to you. Don't make your teeth, you know. Don't help me now.
No, I know independence is August 6, 1962. I don't remember emancipation, but in my mind, I think it's 1834, I don't remember.
Alright. Next question. What type of fruit is on the Jamaican coat of arms?
Okay.
Alright, final question. How many national heroes does Jamaica have?
How many national heroes? You want to include Nani as a heroine or no?
The full is not a trick question.
Then it's
7.
7.
Okay, thank you.
So, was I right?
No! No, Aki.
No.
It's pineapple, it's not Aki.
But the 7, no.
Yes, it's 7.
When was the emancipation?
You got that one right.
Yes.
2 out of 3, that's not bad. That's a good average. Ready?
Ready.
When was Jamaica emancipated from slavery?
August 1st, 1838.
Almost.
1834?
Yeah. 1834. Alright.
Okay.
Next question. What was the very first name given to Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Alright, my smart friend. Full of knowledge. Alright. Last question. Name 2 national heroes.
Oh, Paul Ogle and Nanny of the Maroons.
Alright. Your mother never waste her money to go to school.
You know.
So you got all your questions right. How you feel? I feel like you're the only person I call and you get all the questions them right.
What did I win?
You win the prize of answering all the questions them right and knowing your heritage. Oh, that sound nice.
No, she get crowned the true Jamaican.
You get crowned the truest Jamaican I know. How about that?
Alright.
She's like, you can keep that.
Alright, may I make you one plan.
Alright, cool.
So we are going to call VIJAY. So, you ready? question. When was Jamaica emancipated from slavery?
Emancipation Day.
Yes, when? What is the date?
When is that? August 6th. Or the 3rd.
August 3rd, your birthday, relax.
August 6th or August 1st. August will mix them up.
What your final answer? Emancipation, me say. August 6th, you go in which year? I Google it.
No, you can't. I think.
5 seconds. 5. Alright, Vijay, it's okay, baby. Next question is, what is Jamaica's motto? You must get that one here. Eh?
I was worried for a second.
Honestly, like when you text along, me go, God no, you're there for in too long. Alright, Vijay, your last question is, the indigenous people to Jamaica were called what? What could I call this? Vijay. I see them people, Vijay. I just different name for them. Say just wake up. I'm not hold it against you. Alright guys, we've reached the end of this video. I phoned all my friends and the person that came out victorious is Malika. She got all 3 questions right. Big up yourself, Malika. No hesitation. You just say roll off your tongue. You just know the country. Big up yourself. So Malika gets to wear the crown of the most Jamaican I know. How about that? Not bad. Alright guys, I really hope you learned some more about our history. My history. If you're not Jamaican, you know, there's beauty in everybody's story. Jamaica own nice, Casa Jamaica, you understand? You're just full of pride and them thing. Full of pride and them thing there. So before we go, I just want to say thank you guys for the continued support. I see you guys commenting and watching the videos, and I'm just loving you. Like I say, support me now, and I say alright, big up on yourself. So I'm gonna take this time out to big up the people that continuously comment on the videos. So let's go. Big up yourself. Yes, good. Yes, boy. Act girl. Yeah. Alright guys, on that note, I just want to say thanks again. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe now. And I'll see you in the next one.